There is a dog that has been quietly guarding French flocks for centuries. A dog of elegance, intelligence, and raw power. But most people have never heard of its name, the Buceron. Today I'm going to tell you everything about this incredible French herding and guarding legend, its skills, its history, its presence, and why it deserves your respect. The Buceron, sometimes called the Berger de Buse, is a dog born to work. Its name comes from the Beauce region of France, a place of open fields and rolling hills, where farmers needed a companion that could herd sheep, guard property, and protect livestock all at once. Imagine a dog with the intelligence of a shepherd, the courage of a soldier, and the loyalty of a lifelong friend. Appearance-wise, the Buceron is striking, large and muscular, yet elegant, standing about 61-69 centimeters at the shoulder, weighing between 30–50 kilos. It's a dog that commands attention. Its double coat is short and dense, built to withstand cold mornings and long days in the fields. And the colors, most commonly black and tan, though some come in harlequin patterns, each with that unmistakable, confident gaze that says, "I'm in charge here." But looks are not everything. The Buceron is a working marvel. Herding is in its blood. It is fast, precise, and always calculating. It can anticipate the movements of sheep, guide them without force, and respond instantly to the handler's commands. Beyond herding, these dogs are natural guardians. They have a strong bite force, measured at around 250 psi. Not something to underestimate. Yet their intelligence allows them to discern friends from foe, reacting when necessary and standing down when not. The breed's work ethic is unmatched. Farmers, police units, and search and rescue teams have relied on them for generations. They are loyal, fearless, and tireless, able to patrol fields, guard homes, and accompany humans on complex tasks. And with proper care, a Buceron can live 10 to 12 years, sometimes longer, maintaining that alert, disciplined presence throughout its life. The Buceron is more than muscle and instincts. It's character in motion, loyal to its family, respectful of commands, yet independent enough to make quick decisions in the field. Every movement is precise, every gaze intentional, every bark purposeful. This is a dog that embodies centuries of breeding for intelligence, courage, and resilience. So why does it fascinate us? Maybe it's the way it moves, powerful, smooth, and confident. Or maybe it's the history it carries, walking in the footsteps of shepherds across the French countryside for hundreds of years. Or maybe, just maybe, it's the reminder that true strength combines mind, body, and heart. If you've ever wondered what a real herding master looks like, now you know. The Buceron is a legend that deserves more than just a glance. And I want to hear from you. If you could have one breed guarding your home or working by your side, would it be the Buceron? Comment below. I'm curious to see your thoughts. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Together we'll explore more incredible dogs, their histories, and the lessons they teach us. And remember, sometimes the greatest guardians are those who serve quietly, unseen yet always vigilant. Like the Buceron, strength and loyalty often go hand in hand with patience and heart.